Here's my 2016 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. This one has the MAPerformance large turbo kit. It is a Precision 5862 turbo, cold air intake, new charge pipes. I am running a Mishimoto intercooler and a Mishimoto catch can. I do have a UPR catch can, but I'm waiting for the correct attachment to show up for that because I can't bolt it up to my intake for the wide open throttle. All new charge pipes. The intake was the only thing I had powder coated to the catback exhaust. And I am running on just a Tune Plus tune right now. I'm actually running on a revised tune. I'm waiting for a few more revisions, so this is the first revision of the tune right now. So she's only running around 22 pounds of boost right now, which is just a little bit more than stock. Of course, all the parts are different. Exhaust is pretty good. It's got a nice mellow tone to it. A little buzzy in the cabin for me, but I'll probably get used to it. But that's what you get when you get mufflers that are essentially just race mufflers with some packing in them. So I'm going to do a couple drive-bys. This is my favorite industrial park. Happens to be Easter Sunday, so there's nobody working.